In Tokyo last June, the House leadership met with Speaker Fukushiro Nukaga of Japan and other Japanese lawmakers to enhance the defense and security cooperation between our countries. During the meeting, we made a firm commitment to expand the trilateral cooperation among the Philippines, Japan, and the United States. We also addressed the matter of fair access to Philippine agricultural products by reviewing the Philippine-Japan Economic Partnership Agreement, assistance for infrastructure projects through the Official Development Assistance, the ODA, protection of the rights of overseas Filipino workers, and Japanese investments. This collaboration serves to fortify our bilateral relations and the strategic partnership. Hindi lamang paggagawa ng batas ang pagpapatibay ng ugnayan sa ibang bansa ng inaasikaso natin. Aktibo pa rin tayo natin ginagamit ang oversight function ng Kongreso para bigyan ng solusyon ang mga problema hinaharap ng ordinaryong mamamayan. In response to the most current and pressing issues, we have reiterated our relentless fight against criminal activities, particularly in the operation of illegitimate Philippine offshore gaming operators, which undermines the integrity of our legal and regulatory framework. We are also looking into the illegal drug trade to intensify our campaign against the proliferation of these substances. Comprehensive congressional investigations on POGO and illegal drugs are underway to identify and prosecute the perpetrators to the fullest extent of the law. The House likewise aimed to safeguard the purchasing power of our countrymen by keeping inflation under control and reducing electricity costs. The Philippine Statistics Authority reported that inflation in June decelerated to 3.7% compared to 3.9% in May due to lower energy and transport costs. The amendment to the Electric Power Industry Reform Act, the EPIRA, which we must finish in December, is expected to further ease inflation. On health, a mega 13-story hemodialysis facility will soon rise at the National Kidney and Transplant Institute to serve every Filipino seeking treatment for free. As part of the integral legacy specialty hospital projects of the President. Undoubtedly, the successful outcome of all our initiatives would not have been possible without the exceptional synchronization between the workings of the leaders of the House and our counterparts in the Senate. To ensure a seamless legislative flow, both houses agree that our priorities must align with the efforts of the administration of President Marcos Jr. and his agenda for prosperity and the Bagong Pilipinas brand of governance. The existence of this dynamic relation helps formulate and implement government programs efficiently and more effectively. We at the House of Representatives stand united with the President in his desire to advance the legislative initiatives that will shape the nation's path forward. This is a time for unity, and we fully support the President. Thus, on June 25, 2024, the House and Senate leadership attended the 5th Legislative Executive Development Advisory Council, the LEDAC meeting led by no less than President Marcos Jr., wherein we committed to prioritize the passage of 28 bills under the Common Legislative Agenda before the end of the 19th Congress. Among the bills on the priority list are the Anti-Agriculture Economic Sabotage Act, the Philippine Self-Reliance Defense Posture Program Act, the Philippine Maritime Zones Act, amendments to the Right of Way Act, amendments to the Electric Power Industry Reform Act, or EPIRA, the Create More Act, VAT on digital transactions, and our proposal on the reforms in the Philippine capital markets. More importantly, the LEDAC agreed to include the Archipelagic Sea Lanes Act in the top priority list to strengthen the country's sovereignty over its archipelagic waters and maritime resources. In addition, we had decided to include 5 vital measures to the present LEDAC priority list, which brings to 64 the total number of LEDAC priority measures from the current number of 59. And these include, aside from the Archipelagic Sea Lanes Act and the reforms in the Philippine capital market I mentioned earlier, number 1, amendments to the Foreign Investors Long-Term Lease Act, number 2, amendments to the Agrarian Reform Law, and number 3, amendments to the Rice Tarification Law. Of equal importance are affordable housing, education, agriculture, welfare programs, and employment generation, which we aim to fund by approving the proposed 6.352 trillion 2025 General Appropriations Bill before the session adjourns in September. We have to continue building roads, highways, ports, school buildings, and climate change-proof structures to maintain and expand economic growth. Progress has to reach the remotest community. Today, I emphasize our commitment to pass the remaining priority bills before the end of the 3rd regular session. We are ready and equally determined to ensure that these critical measures are enacted to support our nation's progress and development. For this purpose, I expect no less than your usual cooperation and swift action. Tulad ng ginawa natin nung 1st at 2nd regular session, ibubuhos natin ang lahat ng lakas at panahon para maipasa ang mga batas na kailangan ng bansa. Esteemed colleagues, this 3rd regular session signifies a distinct period for everyone. To those holding office as 3rd termers, this may be the final stretch to offer and deliver what is most beneficial for your constituents. To some of us, this signals another era in which we must prove ourselves worthy of another term. Regardless of the objective, we are all gunning for the same outcome: victory for the Filipino, our nation, and the generations to come, and we continue to march toward that goal now. I urge all of you, as I have done during the opening of the 2 previous regular sessions, to persist in perceiving this cherished institution as a stronghold of battles won, of glory attained through ceaseless labor day and night, relying solely on our commitment as members of the House to uplift us when our limits are being challenged. Rest not on our laurels, my dear colleagues. Our goal is to conclude the 19th Congress by upholding the principles of democracy, ushering in prosperity, and guiding a fair society. Let us give the Filipino people what they deserve, and they deserve more. Damo nga salamat, ngan mabuhay po kita nga tanan. Mabuhay po ang sambayanang Pilipino, mabuhay po ang 19th Congress. Please take your seats. The Secretary General will now call the roll of members of the House of Representatives elected from the legislative districts apportioned among the provinces, cities, and municipalities, and the party list organizations.
Roll call of the members.
National Capital Region, City of Caloocan, 1st District, Honorable Oscar G. Malapitan. 2nd District, Honorable Mary Mitzi L. Cahayon Uy. 3rd District, Honorable Dean Asistio. City of Las Piñas, Lone District, Honorable Camille A. Villar. City of Makati, 1st District, Honorable Romulo Kid Peña Jr. 2nd District, Honorable Luis N. Campos Jr. City of Malabon, Lone District, Honorable Josephine Veronique J. R. Lacson Noel. City of Mandaluyong, Lone District, Honorable Neptali M. Gonzalez II. City of Manila, 1st District, Honorable Ernesto M. Dionisio Jr. 2nd District, Honorable Rolando M. Valeriano. 3rd District, Honorable Joel R. Chua. 4th District, Honorable Edward Vera Perez Maceda. 5th District, Honorable Erwin C. Tieng. 6th District, Honorable Benvenido M. Abante Jr. 1st District, Honorable Marjorie Ann A. Teodoro. 2nd District, Honorable Stella Luz A. Kimbo. City of Muntinlupa, Lone District, Honorable Jaime R. Fresnedi. City of Navotas, Lone District, Honorable Tobias Toby M. Tiangco. City of Parañaque, 1st District, Honorable Edwin L. Olivares. 2nd District, Honorable Gus S. Tambunting. Pasay City, Lone District, Honorable Antonino G. Calixto. City of Pasig, Lone District, Honorable Roman T. Romulo. Quezon City, 1st District, Honorable Juan Carlos Arjo C. Ataide. 2nd District, Honorable Ralph Wendell P. Tulfo. 3rd District, Honorable Franz S. Pumaren. 4th District, Honorable Marvin D. Rillo. 5th District, Honorable Patrick Michael D. Vargas. 6th District, Honorable Maria Victoria Copilar. City of San Juan, Lone District, Honorable Isabel Maria J. Zamora. City of Taguig, 1st Council District, Pateros, Lone District, Honorable Ricardo S. Cruz Jr. City of Taguig, 2nd Councilor District, Lone District, Honorable Amparo Maria J. Zamora. City of Valenzuela, 2nd District, Honorable Eric M. Martinez. Region 1, Ilocos Region, Ilocos Norte, 1st District, Honorable Ferdinand Alexander A. Marcos. 2nd District, Honorable Angelo Marcos Barba. Ilocos Sur, 1st District, Honorable Ronald V. Singson. 2nd District, Honorable Christine Singson Mihan. La Union, 1st District, Honorable Francisco Paulo P. Ortega V. 2nd District, Honorable Dante S. Garcia. Pangasinan, 1st District, Honorable Arthur F. Celeste. 2nd District, Honorable Mark O. Coanco. 3rd District, Honorable Maria Rachel J. Arenas. 4th District, Honorable Christopher V. P. De Venecia. 5th District, Honorable Ramon N. Guico Jr. 6th District, Honorable Marilyn L. Primicias Agabas. Region 2, Cagayan Valley, Batanes, Lone District, Honorable Ciriaco B. Gato Jr. Cagayan 1st District, Honorable Ramon C. Nolasco Jr. 2nd District, Honorable Baby Aline Vargas Alfonso. 3rd District, Honorable Joseph Jojo L. Lara. Isabela, 1st District, Honorable Antonio Tony Pet T. Albano. 2nd District, Honorable Ed Christopher S. Go. 3rd District, Honorable Ian Paul L.D. 4th District, Honorable Joseph S. Tan. 5th District, Honorable Faustino Michael Carlos T.D. III. 6th District, Honorable Faustino Ino A.D. the 5th. Nueva Vizcaya, Lone District, Honorable Luisa Lauren Cuaresma. Quirino, Lone District, Honorable Midi N. Cua. Region 3, Central Luzon, Aurora, Lone District, Honorable Romel Rico T. Angara. Bataan, 1st District, Honorable Geraldine B. Roman. 2nd District, Honorable Albert S. Garcia. 3rd District, Honorable Maria Angela S. Garcia. Bulacan, 1st District, Honorable Danny A. Domingo. 2nd District, Honorable Agustina Dominique Ditsetina C. Pancho. 3rd District, Honorable Lorna C. Salverio. 4th District, Honorable Linabel Ruth R. Villarica. 5th District, Honorable Ambrosio C. Cruz Jr. 6th District, Honorable Salvador A. Plato. City of San Jose del Monte, Lone District, Honorable Florida Rida P. Robes. Nueva Ecija, 5th District, Honorable Micaela Angela B. Swansing. 2nd District, Honorable Joseph Gilbert F. Violago. 3rd District, Honorable Rosana Ria V. Vergara. 4th District, Honorable Emerson D. Pascual. Pampanga, 1st District, Honorable Carmelo John B. Lazatin II. 2nd District, Honorable Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. 3rd District, Honorable Aurelio Dong D. Gonzalez Jr. 4th District, Honorable Anna York P. Bondok. Tarlac, 1st District, Honorable Jaime Eduardo Mark D. Coanco. 2nd District, Honorable Christian Tel A. Yap. 3rd District, Honorable Noel Bong N. Rivera. Zambales, 1st District, Honorable Jefferson F. Konghun. 2nd District, Honorable Doris E. Maniquez. Region 4A, Calabarzon, Batangas, 1st District, Honorable Eric R. Buhain, OLY. 2nd District, Honorable Attorney Jervil Jinky Beatrix R. Luistro. 3rd District, Honorable Maria Teresa V. Collantes. 4th District, Honorable Lianda B. Bolilla. 5th District, Honorable Mario Vittorio Marvi A. Marino. Cavite, 1st District, Honorable Ramon Jolo B. Revilla III. 2nd District, Honorable Lani Mercado Revilla. 3rd District, Honorable Adrian J. C. Advincula. 5th District, Honorable Roy M. Loyola. 6th District, Honorable Antonio A. Ferrer. 7th District, Honorable Crispin Diego D. Remulla. 8th District, Honorable Aniela Bianca D. Tolentino. Laguna, 1st District, Honorable Maria Rene Ann Lourdes G. Matibag. 2nd District, Honorable Ruth Mariano Hernandez. 3rd District, Honorable Loreto S. Amante. 4th District, Honorable Maria Amina Catherine B. Agarao. City of Binyan, Lone District, Honorable Marlene Len B. Alonte. City of Calamba, Lone District, Honorable Cherise Ann C. Hernandez. City of Santa Rosa, Lone District, Honorable Dan S. Fernandez. Quezon, 1st District, Honorable Wilfrido Mark M. Enverga. 2nd District, Honorable David J.J. C. Suarez. 3rd District, Honorable Renante U. Arrogancia. 4th District, Honorable Keith Micah, Attorney Mike D.L. Tan. Rizal, 1st District, Honorable Michael John R. Duavit. 2nd District, Honorable Emigdio P. Tanwatco III. 3rd District, Honorable Jose Arturo S. Garcia Jr. 4th District, Honorable Juan Fidel Felipe F. Nograles. City of Antipolo, 1st District, Honorable Roberto V. Puno. 2nd District, Honorable Romeo M. Acop. Mimaropa, Marinduque, Lone District, Honorable Lord Alan J. Q. Velasco. Occidental Mindoro, Lone District, Honorable Leodi Odi F. Tariela. Oriental Mindoro, 1st District, Honorable Arnan C. Panaligan. 2nd District, Honorable Alfonso V. Umali Jr. Palawan, 2nd District, Honorable Jose C. Alvarez. Romblon, Lone District, Honorable Eleandro Jesus F. Madrona. Region 5, Bicol Region, Albay, 1st District, Honorable Edsel C. Lagman. 2nd District, Honorable Joey Sarte Salceda. 3rd District, Honorable Fernando T. Cabredo. Camarines Norte, 1st District, Honorable Josefina B. Tallado. 2nd District, Honorable Rosemary Conejos Panotes. Camarines Sur, 1st District, Honorable Choyoshi Anthony G. Horibata. 2nd District, Honorable Luis Raymond L. Ray F. Villafuerte Jr. 3rd District, Honorable Gabriel H. Bordado Jr. 4th District, Honorable Arnie B. Fuentebella. 5th District, Honorable Miguel Luis R. Villafuerte. Catanduanes, Lone District, Honorable Eulogio R. Rodriguez. Masbate, 1st District, Honorable Ricardo T. Co. 2nd District, Honorable Olga Ara T. Co. 3rd District, Honorable Wilton Tonton T. Co. Sorsogon, 1st District, Honorable Marie Bernadette G. Escudero. 2nd District, Honorable Wowo Fortes. Region 6, Western Visayas. Aklan, 1st District, Honorable Carlito S. Marquez. 2nd District, Honorable Teodorico Jaresco Jr. Antique Lone District, Honorable Antonio B. Ligarda Jr. Capiz, 1st District, Honorable Emmanuel Tawi Billones. 2nd District, Honorable Jane T. Castro. Guimaras Lone District, Honorable Maria Lucille L. Nava, MD. Iloilo, 1st District, Honorable Janet L. Garin. 2nd District, Honorable Michael B. Goreseta. 3rd District, Honorable Lawrence R. Defensor. 4th District, Honorable Virginal G. Biron. 5th District, Honorable Raul Boboy C. Tupas. City of Iloilo, Lone District, Honorable Julian Baronda. Region 7, Central Visayas, Bohol, 1st District, Honorable Edgar M. Chato. 2nd District, Honorable Maria Vanessa C. Aumentado. 3rd District, Honorable Christine Alexi B. Chutor. Cebu, 1st District, Honorable Rhea May C. A. Gullias. 2nd District, Honorable Edsel A. Galeos. 3rd District, Honorable Pablo John F. Garcia. 4th District, Honorable Janice Z. Salimbangon. 5th District, Honorable Vincent Franco Duque D. Frasco. 6th District, Honorable Daphne A. Lagon. 7th District, Honorable Peter John D. Calderon. City of Cebu, 1st District, Honorable Rachel Margarit B. Delmar. 2nd District, Honorable Eduardo R. Rama. City of Lapu-Lapu, Lone District, Honorable Maria Cynthia K. Chan. City of Mandaue, Lone District, Honorable Emery Lollipop Owano Dizon. Region 8, Eastern Visayas, Biliran, Lone District, Honorable Gerardo Jerry Boy J. Espina Jr. Eastern Samar, Lone District, Honorable Maria Fe R. Abunda. Leyte, 1st District, Honorable Ferdinand Martin G. Romualdez. 2nd District, Honorable Lolita T. Javier. 3rd District, Honorable Ana Victoria Veloso Tuazon. 4th District, Honorable Richard I. Gomez, DPA. 4th District, Honorable Carl Nicolas C. Kyrie. Northern Samar, 1st District, Honorable Paul Ruiz Daza. 2nd District, Honorable Harris Christopher M. Ongchuan. Samar, 1st District, Honorable Stephen James T. Tan. 2nd District, Honorable Reynolds Michael T. Tan. Southern Leyte, 1st District, Honorable Luz V. Mercado. 2nd District, Honorable Christopher Son Coco M. Yap. Region 9, Zamboanga Peninsula, Zamboanga del Norte, 1st District, Honorable Roberto T. Uy Jr. 2nd District, Honorable Glona G. Labad-Labad. 3rd District, Honorable Adrian Michael A. Amatong. Zamboanga del Sur, 1st District, Honorable Divina Grace C.U. 2nd District, Honorable Jazel Victoria C.U. City of Zamboanga, 1st District, Honorable Kimer Adan T. Olaso. 2nd District, Honorable Manuel Jose Manix M. Dalipe. Zamboanga Sibugay, 1st District, Honorable Wilter Y. Palma. 2nd District, Honorable Antonieta R. Udela. Region 10, Northern Mindanao, Bukidnon, 1st District, Honorable Jose Manuel F. Alba. 2nd District, Honorable Jonathan Keith T. Flores. 3rd District, Honorable Jose Maria R. Zubiri Jr. 4th District, Honorable Larnie Lavin Roque. Camiguin, Lorne District, Honorable Jordan Jesus M. Romualdo. Lanao del Norte, 1st District, Honorable Muhammad Khalid Q. Dimaporo. 2nd District, Honorable Siti Amina Q. Dimaporo. City of Iligan, Lone District, Honorable Celso G. Regencia. Misamis Occidental, 1st District, Honorable Jason P. Almonte. 2nd District, Honorable Sancho Fernando Ando F. O. Amenal. Misamis Oriental, 1st District, Honorable Christian S. Unabia. 2nd District, Honorable Yevgeny Vincente B. Emano. City of Cagayan de Oro, 1st District, Honorable Lordan G. Suwan. 2nd District, Honorable Rufus B. Rodriguez. Region 11, Davao Region, Davao de Oro, 1st District, Honorable Maria Carmen S. Zamora. 2nd District, Honorable Ruel Peter Gonzaga. Davao del Norte, 1st District, Honorable Pantaleon D. Alvarez. 2nd District, Honorable Alan Aldo R. Duhali. Davao del Sur, Lone District, Honorable John Tracy F. Cagas. City of Davao, 1st District, Honorable Paulo Z. Duterte. 2nd District, Honorable Vincent J. Garcia. 3rd District, Honorable Isidro T. Ungab. Davao Occidental, Lone District, Honorable Claude P. Bautista. Davao Oriental, 1st District, Honorable Nelson L. Dayangirang. 2nd District, Honorable Chino Miguel D. Almario. Region 12, Socsargen, Cotabato. 1st District, Honorable Silito Joel S. Sakdalan. 2nd District, Honorable Rudy S. Kawagdan, DPA. 3rd District, Honorable Maria Alana Samantha T. Santos. Sarangani Lone District, Honorable Steve Chongbian Solon. South Cotabato, 1st District, Honorable Isidro D. Lumayag. Second District, Honorable Peter B. Miguel. General Santos City, Lone District, Honorable Loreto B. Acharon. Sultan Kudarat, First District, Honorable Princess Rihan M. Sakaluran. Second District, Honorable Horacio P. Swansing Jr. Region 13, Caraga Administrative Region, Agusan del Norte, First District, Honorable Jose Joboy S. Aquino II. Second District, Honorable Day B. Corvera. Agusan del Sur, First District, Honorable Alfelito Alfel M. Bascug. Second District, Honorable Edibong G. Plaza. Dinagat Island, Lone District, Alan Uno B. Ecleo. Surigao del Norte, First District, Honorable Francisco Jose Bingo F. Matugas II, CPA, CESO, LLB. Second District, Honorable Robert Ace S. Barbers. Surigao del Sur, First District, Honorable Romeo S. Momo Jr. Second District, Honorable Johnny T. Pimentel. Cordillera Administrative Region, Abra, Lone District, Honorable Ching B. Bernos. Apayao, Lone District, Honorable Eleanor C. Bulot Bectang. Benguet, Lone District, Honorable Eric Go Yap. City of Baguio, Lone District, Honorable Mark O. Go. Ifugao, Lone District, Honorable Solomon R. Chungalao. Kalinga, Lone District, Honorable Allen Jesse C. Mangawang. Mountain Province, Lone District, Honorable Maximo Y. Dalog Jr. Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. Basilan, Lone District, Honorable Mujib S. Hataman. Lanao del Sur, First District, Honorable Zia Alonto Adyong. Second District, Honorable Yaser Alonto Balindong. Maguindanao del Norte, Lone District, Honorable Bay Dimple I. Mastura. Maguindanao del Sur, Lone District, Honorable Muhammad P. Paglas. Sulu, First District, Honorable Samir A. Tan. Second District, Honorable Munir N. Arbison Jr. Tawi-Tawi, Lone District, Honorable Dimzor M. Sali. Negros Island Region, Negros Occidental, First District, Honorable Gerardo P. Vallamor Jr. Second District, Honorable Alfredo D. Marañon III. Third District, Honorable Francisco Kiko B. Benitez. Fourth District, Honorable Juliet Marie de Leon Ferrer. Fifth District, Honorable Emilio Bernardino L. Yulo. Sixth District, Honorable Mercedes K. Alvarez. City of Bacolod, Lone District, Honorable Greg G. Gasataya. Negros Oriental, First District, Honorable Jocelyn C. Lim Kai Chong. Second District, Honorable Manuel T. Sagarbaria. Siquijor, Lone District, Honorable Zaldi S. Villa. Party List, 1 Pacman, 1 Patriotic Coalition of Marginalized Nationals Incorporated. Honorable Michael L. Romero, PhD. 1 Rider Party List, ang buklod ng mga motorista ng Pilipinas. Honorable Bonifacio L. Bosita. Honorable Ramon Rodrigo L. Gutierrez. 4 Peace, pagtibayin at palaguin ang pangkabuhayang Pilipino. Honorable J.C. Abalos, Honorable Marcelino C. Libanan. Ambis OWA, ang asosasyon sang mangunguma nga Bisaya OWA Mangunguma Incorporated. Honorable Lex Anthony Chris A. Colada. Abang Lingkod Incorporated. Honorable Joseph Stephen Caraps S. Paduano. Abono Party List. Honorable Robert Raymond M. Estrella. ACT-CIS, Anti-Crime and Terrorism Community Involvement and Support Incorporated. Honorable Edvic G. Yap. Honorable Jocelyn P. Tulfo o Honorable Erwin T. Tulfo. ACT Teachers Party List. Honorable Franz L. Castro. AGAP, Agricultural Sector Alliance of the Philippines, Honorable Nicanor M. Briones. Agimat ng Masa, Honorable Brian B. Revilla. Agri-Agra na reforma para sa magsasaka ng Pilipinas, Honorable Wilbert Manoy T. Lee. Ako Bicol Political Party, Honorable Ramon Angelo Gil D. Bongalon. Honorable Elizalde S. Co. Ako Bisaya Party List, Honorable Sonny S. L. Lagon. Ako Ilocano, Honorable Richel Singson. ALONA, Alliance of Organizations, Networks and Associations of the Philippines Incorporated. Honorable Ana Marie Villaraza Suarez. Anak Kalusugan, alagaan natin ating kalusugan, Honorable Ray T. Reyes. Ang probinsyano, Alyansa ng mga Mamamayang Probinsyano, Honorable Alfred C. De Los Santos. Angat, agrikultura ngayon gawing akma at tama, Honorable Reynaldo S. Tamayo. APEC, Association of Philippine Electric Cooperatives, Honorable Sergio C. Dagook. API, Abante, Pangasinan, Ilocano Party, Honorable Michael M. Morden. BH, Bagong Henerasyon, Honorable Bernadette B.H. Herrera. BHW, Barangay Health Wellness Party, Honorable Angelica Natasha Co. Bicol Saro, Honorable Brian Raymond S. Yamsuan. SIBAC, Citizens Battle Against Corruption, Honorable Eduardo Brother Eddie C. Villanueva. COPNATCO Party List, Honorable Filimon M. Espares. CWS, Construction Workers Solidarity, Honorable Edwin L. Guardiola. Dumper PTDA, Dumper Philippines Taxi Drivers Associations Incorporated, Honorable Claudine Diana D. Bautista Lim. Duterte Youth Party List, Honorable Drixie May S. Cardema. Gabriela Women's Party, Honorable Arlene D. Brosas. GP Party, Galing sa Puso Party, Honorable Jose Gay G. Padernos. Kabataan Party List, Honorable Raul Daniel A. Manuel. Kabayan, Kabalikat ng Mamamayan, Honorable Ron P. Salo. Kalinga Advocacy for Social Empowerment and Nation Building through Easing Poverty Incorporated, Honorable Irene Gay F. Saulog. Kusog Tausug Party List, Honorable Shirley A. Tan Tambut. LPGMA, LPG Marketers Association Incorporated, Honorable Alan U.T. Malasakit Bayanihan Foundation Incorporated, Honorable Anthony Rolando T. Goles Jr. Manila Teachers Savings and Loan Association Incorporated, Honorable Virgilio S. Lacson. Marino Samahan ng mga Seamen Incorporated, Honorable Sandro L. Gonzalez. OFW, One Filipinos Worldwide Coalition Party List, Honorable Marisa Del Mar Magsino. Patrol, Public Safety Alliance for Transformation and Rule of Law Incorporated, Honorable Jorge Patrol Bustos. PBA, Person ng Bayaning Atleta, Honorable Margarita Attorney Migs B. Nograles. Philrica, Philippine Rural Electric Cooperatives Association Incorporated, Honorable Presley C. De Jesus. Pinuno, pinatatag na ugnayan para sa mga oportunidad sa pabahay ng masa, Honorable Ivan Howard A. Ginto. Probinsyano ako, Honorable Rudy Cesar G. Fariñas I. Pusong Pinoy, Honorable Journey Jet V. Nisay. Sagip, Social Amelioration and Genuine Intervention on Poverty, Honorable Rodante D. Marcoleta. Honorable Caroline L. Tanchay. Senior Citizens Party List, Coalition of Senior Citizens in the Philippines Incorporated, Honorable Rodolfo Ompong M. Ordanes. TGP, Talino't Galing ng Pinoy, Honorable Jose Bong J. Teves Jr. Tingog Sinirangan, Honorable Yeda Marie K. Romualdez, Honorable Jude A. Asidre. TUCP, Trade Union Congress Party, Honorable Raymond Democrito C. Mendoza. Tutok Tuwin, Honorable Samuel S. Versosa Jr. United Senior Citizens Coalition ng Pilipinas Incorporated, Honorable Milagros Aquino Magsaysay. Uswag Ilonggo Party, Honorable James Jojo Ang Jr. Number. Yun pa, sir. Okay na to? Ito na.
May second call po ba?
Mr. Speaker, the roll call shows that 262 members responded to the call.
There being 262 members responding to the call, the chair declares the presence of a quorum. The majority leader is recognized.
Mr. Speaker, I move to consider House Resolution number 1799 and for this purpose, direct the Secretary General to read the title and text of the resolution.
Is there any objection? The chair hears none. Consideration of House Resolution 1799 is now in order. The Secretary General is directed to read the title and the text of the resolution.
House Resolution Number 1799. Resolution informing the Senate that the quorum being present, the House of Representatives has entered upon the exercise of its functions. Resolved as it is hereby resolved by the House of Representatives that the Senate be informed that the quorum being present, the House of Representatives has entered upon the exercise of its functions. Adopted, signed, Manuel Jose Manix M. Dalipe, Majority Leader, and Marcelino C. Libanan, Minority Leader.
Majority Leader,
Mr. Speaker, I move to adopt House Resolution Number 1799.
there is a motion to adopt House Resolution number 1799. Those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Those against say nay. The ayes have it. House Resolution number 1799 is adopted. The majority leaders are recognized.
Mr. Speaker, I move to consider House Resolution Number 1800 and for this purpose direct the Secretary General to read the title and text of the resolution.
Is there any objection? The chair hears none. Consideration of House Resolution number 1800 is now in order. The Secretary General is directed to read the title and text of the resolution.
House Resolution Number 1800. Resolution informing His Excellency Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr., President of the Republic of the Philippines, that the House of Representatives has entered upon the exercise of its functions. Resolved as it is hereby resolved by the House of Representatives that His Excellency Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr., President of the Republic of the Philippines, be informed that the House of Representatives has entered upon the exercise of its functions. Adopted, signed, Manuel Jose Manix M. Dalipe, Majority Leader, and Marcelino C. Libanan, Minority Leader.
Majority Leader,
Mr. Speaker, I move to adopt House Resolution Number 1800.
there is a motion to adopt House Resolution number 1800. Those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Those against say nay. The ayes have it. House Resolution number 1800 is adopted. The majority leader is recognized.
Mr. Speaker, I move to consider House Concurrent Resolution Number 27 and for this purpose direct the Secretary General to read the title and text of the concurrent resolution.
Is there any objection? The chair hears none. Consideration of House Concurrent Resolution number 27 is now in order. The Secretary General is directed to read the title and the text of the concurrent resolution.
House Concurrent Resolution Number 27. Concurrent Resolution providing for the Senate and the House of Representatives to hold a joint session to hear the message of the President of the Republic of the Philippines. Resolved by the House of Representatives, the Senate concurring that both houses of Congress of the Republic of the Philippines hold a joint session on Monday, July 22, year 2024 at 4 o'clock in the afternoon at the session hall of the House of Representatives to hear the message of the President of the Republic of the Philippines. Adopted, signed, Manuel Jose Manix M. Dalipe, Majority Leader, and Marcelino C. Libanan, Minority Leader.
Majority Leader,
Mr. Speaker, I move to adopt House Concurrent Resolution Number 27.
There is a motion to adopt House Concurrent Resolution number 27. Those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Those against say nay. The ayes have it. House Concurrent Resolution number 27 is adopted. The majority leader is recognized.
Mr. Speaker, in order to give the House Secretariat time to transmit to the Senate the copies of the resolutions we just have adopted, and until we have received messages from the Senate on the resolutions they have adopted, I move to suspend the session.
Is there any objection? The chair hears none. The session is suspended. The session is resumed. The Honorable Majority Leader is recognized.
Mr. Speaker, we are in receipt of the messages from the Senate. I move to consider the same and direct the Secretary General to read the messages.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, consideration of messages from the Senate is now in order. The Secretary General is directed to read the messages from the Senate.
Senate Resolution number 1061, entitled Resolution Informing the House of Representatives that a quorum is present in the Senate and that this body has entered upon the exercise of its functions for the third regular session of the 19th Congress of the Philippines. Senate Resolution number 1062, entitled Resolution Informing President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. that a quorum is present in the Senate and that the body has entered upon the exercise of its functions for the third regular session of the 19th Congress of the Philippines.
To the archives.
Senate Concurrent Resolution number 19, entitled Concurrent Resolution Creating a Joint Committee of the Senate and the House of Representatives to notify the President of the Philippines that Congress, now convened for its third regular session of the 19th Congress of the Philippines, is ready to hear his State of the Nation address in a joint session of both houses.
To the calendar of business for the day. The Majority Leader is recognized.
Mr. Speaker, I move to consider Senate Concurrent Resolution number 19 and for this purpose direct the Secretary General to read the title and text of the concurrent resolution.
Is there any objection? The chair hears none. Consideration of Senate Concurrent Resolution number 19 is now in order. The Secretary General is directed to read the title and text of the concurrent resolution.
Senate Concurrent Resolution number 19. Concurrent Resolution creating a joint committee of the Senate and the House of Representatives to notify the President of the Philippines that Congress, now convened for its third regular session of the 19th Congress of the Philippines, is ready to hear his State of the Nation address in a joint session of both houses. Resolved by the Senate, the House of Representatives concurring that a committee of 5 members led by the Senate President join a committee of House of Representatives to notify the President of the Philippines that Congress, now convened for its third regular session of the 19th Congress of the Philippines, is ready to hear his State of the Nation address in a joint session of both houses, adopted, signed Francis Tol N. Tolentino, Senator.
Majority Leader,
Mr. Speaker, I move for the adoption of Senate Concurrent Resolution Number 19.
there is a motion to adopt Senate Concurrent Resolution 19. Those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Those against say nay. The ayes have it. Senate Concurrent Resolution number 19 is adopted. The Majority Leader is recognized.
Mr. Speaker, in view of the adoption of Senate Concurrent Resolution Number 19, authorizing the creation of a joint committee of both houses to notify the President of the Philippines that Congress is convened and ready to hear his message. On the part of the House, I move that the following be appointed to the joint committee. The Honorable Aurelio Dong D. Gonzales Jr., the Honorable Yasser Alonto Balindong, the Honorable Roberto V. Puno, the Honorable Christine Singson Mihan, the Honorable Camille A. Villar, the Honorable Raymond De Broquito C. Mendoza, the Honorable David J. C. Suarez, the Honorable Vincent Franco Duque Prasco, the Honorable Antonio Tonipet Albano.
Is there any objection? The Chair hears none. The members of the House of Representatives so named are hereby appointed to the Joint Committee and are requested to immediately discharge their responsibility. Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, in order to give the members of the Joint Committee time to perform their assigned task and until the House counterpart is ready to report back their accomplishments to this House, I move to suspend session.
Is there any objection? The Chair hears none. The session is suspended.
He replied that. Okay.
The session is resumed. The Honorable Majority Leader is recognized.
Mr. Speaker, we have received a report from the Notification Committee that the President has been informed that Congress will convene in joint session at 4 o'clock this afternoon to hear his State of the Nation address. Mr. Speaker, we wish to remind the members of this chamber that all of us must be here an hour before the joint session at 4 o'clock.
The remarks of the Majority Leader are duly noted. Mr. Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, to give way to the joint session at 4 o'clock this afternoon, I move to suspend session until tomorrow, July 23, 2024, at 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Is there any objection? The Chair hears none. The session is suspended until tomorrow, July 23, 2024 at 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
May we call on the deputy speakers to come to the podium? Minority Leader and Majority Leader and Senior Majority Leader. Please come to the podium. Congressman Sandro.
One with the long arms.
Basta araw lang kami.
Ng 1,600,000 pesos. Four-wheel drive tractors na nagkakahalaga naman ng 2,600,000 pesos. Ang riding transplanters na nagkakahalaga ng 6,200,000 pesos. Mula sa Department of Agriculture, makakatanggap naman ang mga benepisyaryo ng National Urban and Peri-Urban Agriculture Program ng Multi-Purpose Cultivators na may halagang halos 1,500,000 pesos. Ang mga programang ito ay handog sa inyo ng pamahalaan para sa mga fisher folks at mga magsasaka ng Pangasinan at ng Region 1. Sa ilalim ng High Value Crops Development Program, tatanggap ang mga piling benepisyaryo ng Onion Cold Storage Facility na may halagang higit sa 19,700,000 pesos. At mga pump and engine sets na nagkakahalaga naman ng 591,000 pesos. Ngayon, ang mga benepisyaryo ng Rice Banner Program ay makakatanggap ng humigit 39,000 bags ng hybrid seeds na nagkakahalaga ng halos 200 million pesos. At fertilizer discount vouchers na nagkakahalaga ng higit sa 36 million pesos. Sa ilalim ng Special Area for Agricultural Development Program, makakatanggap ang mga benepisyaryo ng Food Production and Livelihood Inventions or Intervention na nagkakahalaga ng higit sa 600,000 pesos. Tatanggap din ang mga benepisyaryo sa ilalim ng Corn Banner Program ng corn sheller na may halagang 358,000 pesos, recirculating dryer na may halagang higit sa 2,500,000 pesos, four-wheel drive tractors na may halagang 6,900,000 pesos at combine or corn combine harvesters na may halagang 2,345,000 pesos at hauling truck na may halagang higit sa 2,400,000 pesos. Sa ilalim naman ng Organic Agriculture Program, ang mga benepisyaryo ay tatanggap ng hauling trucks na nagkakahalaga ng 2,680,000 pesos. Mula naman sa Fuel Subsidy Program, tatanggap ang mga benepisyaryo ng fuel assistance cards na nagkakahalaga ng halos 356,000 pesos. Sa puntong ito, mamimigay ang Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources ng Shellfish Culture Technology Livelihood Package na nagkakahalaga ng 400,000 pesos. Package of inputs for tilapia cage culture na nagkakahalaga ng 956,000 pesos. Sa ilalim naman ng Development Salt Industry Project, tatanggap ang mga benepisyaryo ng Solar Salt Production Package higit sa 2,200,000 pesos. Ang mga mangingisdang benepisyaryo ay makakatanggap ng motorized FRP boats na nagkakahalaga ng 225,000 pesos. Ngayon naman mula sa DA-ACPC o Agricultural Credit Policy Council, tatanggap ang mga partner lending conduits sa ilalim ng Agri-Negosyo Loan Program ng Credit Fund na nagkakahalaga ng 80 million pesos. Ngayon naman, mamamahagi ang Department of Social Welfare and Development ng tulong pinansyal sa mga benepisyaryo ng Ayuda sa Kapos ang Kita program na nagkakahalaga naman ng 46 million pesos. naman sa Philippine Corp or Crop Insurance Corporation, makakatanggap ang Pangasinan farmers and fisherfolk ng indemnity checks na nagkakahalaga ng 4 million pesos. Mula naman sa Department of Labor and Employment, tatanggap ang mga benepisyaryo ng tulong panghanap buhay sa ating disadvantaged displaced workers na tulong pinansyal na nagkakahalaga ng halos 20 million pesos.